Central Florida is full of beautiful lakes and waterways to explore.
A new experience in Lake County puts you in the captain's chair as you explore the natural beauty of Florida. And this is just another reason why we love Florida. Fox 35's David Martin joins us live from Claremont this morning. Hey, David.
Hello there, Danielle. I've already lost my hat once this morning here on Lake Minnehaha in Lake County. And that's okay, because the wind and the warm temperatures feel good on my face. I'm with my friend Nate Crawford, who's the general manager of Catboat Escapes. Nate, good morning to you.
Good morning. Thanks for being out here, and it is beautiful.
Picture perfect weather. Jamie King, the weatherman, thank you very much, my friend. What are we looking at behind us, Nate?
Oh, these are the funnest boats in the world, and we're on the most beautiful waterway, the Claremont chain of lakes, and the weather is absolutely perfect. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming out here, and thanks for our viewers, and that we get to share this with you.
How many lakes are there in the Claremont chain of lakes? Do you know?
There are 13, so there is plenty of water out here to explore.
And the 2-hour guided tour on these mini cats covers how many of those lakes?
We see about a third of them. So we have about 4 to 5 routes. We always adjust for the wind conditions, weather conditions to give you the best tour possible. But if you come out again, you'll probably see new things each time.
Some of those things, I imagine, beautiful Florida wildlife.
Absolutely. Beautiful birds. We got a lot of birders that come out here, and just people that appreciate nature.
What's amazing is we are at one of the highest points in the Sunshine State elevation-wise.
We are at the highest point, so all the water that flows from here affects our entire state, and we talk about that significance through the tour.
Let's talk about the actual boats that are zipping by. I've been on these. They're a lot of fun. They're super easy. If you can drive a car, you can drive a mini cat. They're called CraigCats. Describe the boats for us.
Well, they've been made right here in Orlando for over 30 years. They are super stable, and like you said, they're easy to drive. We give you a full driving lesson, and we have never had anybody not be able to master these boats and fly across the water having fun.
When you say fly, what would be a max speed on the tour?
Now, these boats go about 30 miles per hour. For your boaters out there, you know that it's a lot faster on the water than in a car.
I would assume you need to be a certain age to drive it.
You need to be 18 years old to drive the boats, but you can be as young as 5 to ride along and have a blast.
And reservations are required, I presume?
Oh, absolutely. We want to get you ready beforehand, and this is just a special experience, and this is something you want to prepare for.
2-hour tour starts at what? How much money?
It depends. The larger your group, it's actually less per person. There's also $10 off if you book on our website. Right now, for 2 people, it's $199, but take $10 off of that. And it's just a great experience you'll remember for the rest of your life.
Give us that website, my friend.
www.catboatescapes.com.
Catboatescapes.com. Great work on the camera, Paolo. I know that was tricky. We're going fast, and he's standing on this speedboat. I love it. Dude, you said it all. Nice work.
Thank you so much, David. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day.
We will. And in the next hour, Danielle and Ray, we'll give some backstory on who's in the mini cats. That's interesting. They're a wide range of people, so you can do it too. Don't go anywhere. We'll send it back to you. We'll see you
Okay,
in the
can I just say he's good? Tell him we said he is good, David. Boy, did he do a good job.
That was
It makes you want to go.
And you know